up, people? Hope you're doing good. So you're here on the Financial Pineapple. So today we're going to talk about the Metaverse. I know throughout the past few months you've been hearing about Meta, the Metaverse, NFTs, crypto, and so many things. So today we're going to just talk about the Metaverse in this video. So according to Wikipedia, the Metaverse is a hypothesized iteration of the internet supporting online 3D virtual environments using personal computing as well as virtual and augmented reality headsets. Yeah, I'm paraphrasing here. So that's a boring version of the Metaverse. So enough of boring words. Let's get into an easy and understandable English. So the Metaverse comprises or is a mixture of augmented, physical, and virtual reality. That is, mixes everything to make everything. It brings together everything. It's the bridge, not like a bridge. Let's say a pot with a lot of ingredients and everything. So that's the Metaverse. So this augmented reality, physical reality, and virtual reality are the ingredients mixed together to give the Metaverse. So back in October, end of October, that's when Mark announced the coming of the Metaverse.
It is time for us to adopt a new company brand to encompass everything that we do. To reflect who we are and what we hope to build, I am proud to announce that starting today, our company is now Meta. Our mission remains the same. It's still about bringing people.
If you've watched this movie, 2018, Ready Player One, back in this movie, and they talked about the Metaverse. Okay, they not talk about the Metaverse, but it depicts the Metaverse. The movie was actually very mad. If you've not watched it, go and check it out. So,
missing not because we went anywhere. There's nowhere left to go. Nowhere except the oasis. It's the only place that feels like I mean anything. A world where the limits of reality are your own imagination.
Go and check it out. So, the movie, the virtual reality things happening, people were doing activities through VR, playing games through VR, and that's how the Metaverse is. So, the Metaverse is not just one thing. It comprises of games, meetings, and concerts, and I saw a video past few days that Justin Bieber actually held a concert through the Metaverse, online. It was actually mad. Via VR, I could attend. And even universities are picking it up that students are having some classes doing VR, and the Metaverse is actually a mad concept. So it's not that the Metaverse has not existed when Mark announced the Metaverse. Yes.
We're going to talk about the Metaverse, starting with the most important experience of all, connecting with people. Imagine you put on your glasses or headset and you're instantly in your home space. It has parts of your physical home recreated virtually, it has things that are only possible virtually, and it has an incredibly inspiring view of whatever you find most beautiful.
Hey, are you coming?
Yeah, just gotta find something to wear. All right, perfect.
Boy.
Oh, hey, Mark. Hey, what's going on?
Hi.
Mark. What's up, Mark?
Whoa, we're floating in space?
Uh-huh.
Who made this place? It's awesome.
Right? It's from a crater I met in LA.
So according to Mark now, what he's trying to do and all these other companies are doing is to incorporate and build into the Metaverse. So the Metaverse already existed in apps in existing environments like the Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie Infinity games, and other 3D games, 3D virtual reality games. So the Metaverse already existed, but now it's widening up to the point that working from home is no more just working from home. This one, you're working and you have the presence of not just working from home, you're having the presence of you're with people around you. So that's how the Metaverse is going to be. New jobs are going to be virtual. You go to parties, have fun with your friends through VR, and that's actually nice. That is lit. So enough of the boring stuff. So now let's go to the main part that we're concerned with, how we're going to cash out using this metaverse. Or let's get to the fun part. So what we're going to talk about here are things that you should invest in the metaverse. So meet up this opportunity. Let's not miss that slice of the cake, like how we miss Bitcoin. Right? Yes, right. So things you should invest in the metaverse. First of all, we start with stocks. There are stocks of metaverse companies. There's companies that have invested billions of dollars to make this movement possible. Companies like Meta, previously called Facebook, Unity Games, Microsoft, Nvidia, and so many other companies. There are Autodex too, and so many other companies. So do your research and you invest in these companies, and you're actually going to probably cash out a lot when these companies actually boost up in stock prices because of the metaverse. So the next thing is to invest in metaverse ETFs. So like Run Household ETF and some other metaverse ETF. So why you should invest in metaverse ETF? Because ETFs are a combination of like all these other stocks. It has like over 10 stocks and some other stocks like in it. So why you should do ETF? Because ETFs are safer than individual stocks. Imagine buying a stock A and stock A actually reduces in value, like underperforms. What will you do? You lose all your money. But if you buy an ETF contains different stocks. So imagine stock A, stock B is inside that stock, and stock A underperforms, or stock B overperforms, not even performs, overperforms. So it cancels out the losses in stock A and you actually earn money. So that's why ETFs are best to buy. But the thing about ETF is that you don't gain as much as you would have gained as buying an individual stock, but you still gain something. So it's better than buying. Well, it's better than buying an individual stock, which you take more risk. So you take less risk, which is still better. So the next thing you should invest in, guess? Yeah, cryptocurrency. Yes, crypto. So why you should invest in crypto? Because crypto is really doing well. Okay, not really doing well now, but crypto is the future. Yeah. So buy the main coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can buy Solana too. Why you should buy Ethereum? Because Ethereum is like the sand, cement, wood, roofing sheets, and everything for the metaverse. Because many platforms, like example like a Sandbox, Decentraland, games, and some of these currencies are based on the Ethereum blockchain. That's why Ethereum is good to buy, because it's actually going to really appreciate and skyrocketing value. So buy Ethereum and you don't miss it like we missed Bitcoin back in 2013. So another thing to buy is metaverse coins like Sand from the Sandbox platform, Mana from the Decentraland platform, Axie Infinity, Sin from Sin City, and some other coins. There are some other beautiful metaverse coins to buy that I mentioned. You can check them out and you'll find them, and do your research, because not all coins are going to be. So do your research, find out whether they're having good project and everything. If you're sure, then you can buy them, because metaverse coins are actually going to skyrocket in the nearest future. And another thing to invest in, that's the last, NFTs. Yeah, NFTs. I don't spell it with my finger, but NFTs, non-fungible token. Yeah, that will be another topic on its own. That's going to be the next video is going to be on NFTs. Yeah, spoiler alert. It's because I can't explain NFT in this video, because NFTs is a big and huge topic to talk about. So I cannot talk about it. I want this video to be short. So buy NFTs, because companies like Adidas, Nike, they've already started purchasing virtual licenses for their platforms, for their product that's going to be selling on the metaverse. And these products are not going to be physical products, they're going to be virtual products like caps, hats, shoes, all these things, and they're going to be worn by your avatars. And these virtual products are NFTs, actually. They're artworks that your avatars are going to wear. So they're purchasing licenses for these things, and yeah. And so prepare for the metaverse, because the metaverse is actually bringing something big, something different. So let's not miss this slice of the cake like we missed last time, because especially now it's easy to access investing in the metaverse. So if you want to buy cryptocurrency related or metaverse coins, you check on my link below and buy and download the Binance app and start your journey. And for stocks and ETFs, check out my link below and register on the Bamboo platform. It's easy to invest, very easy. You can also check out Public and some other stockbrokers that you know. But if you're in Nigeria, I prefer Bamboo app because Bamboo app is very friendly and nice, not so much stress. No one likes stress, so check out Bamboo and start your career of savings, or sorry, your career of buying stocks. So with all this, I hope you are ready for the metaverse. I hope you are ready for the metaverse. Yeah, I mean, I'm starting to be ready. I'm ready. I'm ready actually. I hope you're ready. So go and do your research, more research, and remember, this is not financial advice. So like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notification for the YouTube algorithm. Yes. Goodbye.